Hi guys, it's Friendly Advice again. Today I'm going to give you a very good tip. Guess what this is? This is mint from my garden. And what am I going to use this mint for? I usually end of summer I take all the mint and make it into bunches right here. And then I put it in like my garage, my cold storage to prevent any kind of mice to come or any kind of insects or anything to come. So it's a very good repellent. The strong smell keeps all the insects, especially mice and everything, away from your cold storage and garage. So I'll show you how it works. This is my cold storage, and what I do is I usually line up the mint. I put one at the base right here, at the bottom, right here at the end of the cold storage, right there, a bunch. Okay, I made 3 bunches. Second one, I put it on one of the shelves. I put it on the top shelves usually because I don't use that shelf much. And then one right in the front, so I can put it right here as a decoration to keep all the mice away. And they'll dry up, but the smell will stay for some time. So to use this tip to protect your cold storage and garage or any other area that you might have problem with mice. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and please do share this tip with your friends and family. All the best.